command line tool for WinCC OA. I have recently built one because customers were asking at our user and developer days in Vienna about that, and to be honest, I really liked the idea, and it was already for a long time in my mind. Also because of AI tools can use command line tools very good. So maybe we have to create a skill because it is brand new, so the LLMs don't know how to use it yet. But anyhow, so let's start it, and you see already it is a cargo run, so it is made in Rust, and that also implies that I've implemented a Rust API for WinCC OA. So for all of the Rust fans out there, well, maybe in future you can write your managers in Rust as well. So let's see what it currently can do. This is the very first starting point, so it will be extended, of course, but the basic functions are there. And to be honest, in WinCC OA you can do a lot of things just by setting data points and data points attributes. So let's see. So first you can query the names, what data points are available. We can toggle between to show or to not to show internal data points, names, pump with wildcards, of course. We can also do a describe on a data point, then we will get the structure. We can query the types, we can describe a type, then we get directly the structure of the type. We can get the values, and here you have seen it. We can also use tab for an auto completion to scroll between the available tags. So now we get the value. We can also set the value. Turn on to 13. We can scroll up, get it again, so it has changed. We can read the history of data points. So it's a default. Yeah. Default, it will create the last 100 values or so. Yeah. We can also do a get on pump with wildcards. Then we will get the values of all of the available pumps. We can also do a query, WinCC OA query, online value, online this time from pump 1. For example, the arc 1, for example. We're getting it here. Can we use wildcards here? I'm not sure. Oh yeah, that works also pretty well. So get that, select names, exists, info types, desk. Yeah, well, I think I covered already all. So yeah, let me know what you think about and what kind of functions or commands you would like to see in a command line tool for WinCC OA.